Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a spiral ice-dyed v-neck shirt. I'm also going to dye this shirt down in the muck. My shirt was washed and dried. I soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out in my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have my shirt turned inside out. I'm finding an area on my shirt where I want to begin my spiral, and I'm starting my spiral with a fork. Then I'm just going to hold my folds in place with some rubber bands. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to dye this shirt down in the muck. And all that means is instead of putting the shirt on a rack and allowing the ice and the dye to run through the shirt and gather below the shirt in a tub or something, I am going to just put the shirt straight down in the tub. And as the ice melts and the dye runs through the shirt sits in the excess runoff from the ice and dye. So I've placed my shirt down inside of a plastic tub, and I've made myself an ice barrier out of some silicone cake molds. Then I've secured those cake molds with a binder clip to hold them in place. I'll leave a link in the description for where to purchase the cake molds. Using a washable marker, I'm going to divide my shirt into 4 equal sections, making sure I take each line through the center of my spiral. The first color that I'm going to put on my shirt is Lunar Blue from Custom Colors. And across from the Lunar Blue, I'm using Azure Blue from Dharma Trading Company. The other 2 sections are going to be greens. The first one is Sage from Dharma Trading Company. And across from that is Olive Drab from Dharma Trading Company. Then I'm going to add a layer of soda ash and ice onto my shirt. I'm going to put my shirt aside and I'm not going to disturb it at all. I came back after the layer of ice had melted on my shirt, and I added another thin layer of ice to the top. After 24 hours, I came back, rinsed my shirt, washed it and dried it, and this is what it looks like. I really like how this one turned out. I like the color combination, the kind of more muted blues mixed with the more muted and olive greens. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.